rock, paper, scissors,
set,
shoot.
go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, well,
I have absolutely no plan.
okay.
That's heavy. Yes, sir.
I'm feeling really good about this.
That one is good, man. This is the real test. We're both gonna launch off the bank. Whoever could stay afloat the longest wins. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm versing this guy. He's ready to go. I'm versing this guy in a budget boat build challenge. 1v1. 1v1. So one of us will get a $200 budget and the other one of us will get a $50 budget. And in order to determine who gets those different budgets, we're gonna play a quick game of rock, paper, scissors.
Good thing is I placed second in the rock, paper, scissors World Cup about a year and a half ago, so I think I got this one in the bag.
When it comes to building a boat, you need more money. I need to win this. Go. Rock. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah! Woohoo! I have a $200 budget and you have 50. Oh my god, I got
$50 could still win me this challenge, and I'm gonna win. Let's go build a boat.
What was that?
I don't know. We're here, Home Depot. I'm with Brenton. He's got the higher budget. I'm gonna hand you this GoPro. So we're gonna film with because we don't have a big enough budget to have someone else.
Excuse
film.
us.
Sorry, sir. Brendan's got a $200 budget. I've got a $50 budget. I have a heck of a lot less money than Brenton does to work with, but we're trying to build a boat. So I think I could do pretty good with 50 bucks. I'm feeling.
I'm gonna do great. I'm so excited.
I'm feeling pretty good. I'm not gonna count myself out just yet. And we came into the lighting aisle just to get some good lighting. Yeah.
Set, go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, well we have to start now. How's it going? We're seeing who can build a boat the fastest.
I have absolutely no plan. Zero. I didn't even research.
You have no budget.
In 35 seconds.
Dude,
I haven't even moved.
I mean, we gotta get away from the toilet paper.
So I was thinking something like this, right? A broom, and then we could wrap this with actually we don't even need to. Look at this. This is our paddle.
You could get like gorilla
We shouldn't
tape.
waste money on a paddle because we're not gonna need a paddle. We just
You
need
got
to
a
float.
point. You got a point. You can use your hands to paddle.
Listen here, bubble wrap's gonna be a friend of mine.
Why?
This bubble wrap not float? You have no money. This thing's $35.
Does bubble wrap float?
We're in like high inflation right now. How do you buy any? The gas is like $50 a gallon. I need to figure out a plan. He's probably got this whole plan.
Okay, there we go. Problem is, the next thing I need for this project is huge, so I don't really know how I'm gonna fit everything in this car. I'm gonna need a new cart, and we only have 11 minutes left.
Excuse me, sir. Where did I find styrofoam? I have a plan. I have a plan. Styrofoam floats. Same way I built my old dock at the PC Farm 1.0. We have 11 minutes and 12 seconds left.
How's it going?
Mine's gonna work so well. I feel bad.
Buckets? What
Yeah, I know, buckets are weird, but these are gonna be almost like pontoons, like a pontoon boat. I just need a base now.
Yeah.
The thing is, I wanna have enough money to get a propulsion device so I can blow them out of the water. I feel like if I have a weed whacker, it'll be like a motor.
You gotta get to work.
In big trouble.
You gotta get to work. I'm sorry. I can't tell you, Paul. I'm sorry. I can't.
Oh, no, dude, I forgot what aisle she just told me. Oh, 24.
How the hell did you just come up with 24?
I'm stressing out right now, man. I have no plan. I should have researched. I should have gotten things. I have plan B going. I'm gonna put 4 of these buckets. By the way, this whole plan will not work if they don't have bucket lids. So.
Very true.
I will literally have no boat. That's
Me too.
heavy.
That's heavy.
I think this is all gonna be about balance.
Okay, I kind of like it.
See what I'm saying?
It's kind of like a big surfboard.
Yeah, we drill the lids from underneath.
Yeah.
So I'd be like this.
Yes, but should we?
Mommy! I don't have time, Mom. I'm sorry. It's 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
Oh my goodness.
I'm at $72 so far on just buckets. I need screws and I need some way to propel myself. I mean, that's not part of the rule, it's who can float best, but I would just like to blow this challenge out of the water. We're at like $121. We have $79 left. And that takes up a good amount of the boat. That looks good. Ooh, turf. Whoa, wait. Artificial indoor turf. Whoa, 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 whoa. A full rug, $20? Yeah, that's way cooler. God, dude, there's no way he beats me with $50. Thank you. Appreciate you, boss.
4.
Yes, sir.
I'm definitely over my budget.
I need duct tape, but I don't have the budget. I want a rematch if I lose this. I would destroy him with a bigger budget. How much is it? How much was it? 161.
Ooh.
Oh,
That's it.
maybe we should have done like $100 budget against $200.
Yeah, that seemed a little more
I don't
reasonable.
even know if I think we might be over.
We honestly might be.
No.
Ooh.
51.20.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm $1.20 over.
$1.20 over, bro.
I'm gonna scan it. I'm just gonna send it.
I think that's okay.
$1.20
It's a dollar.
over, come on.
It's a dollar.
Here's the thing about this type of challenge though, it's all about who floats the best. So regardless of what I have, if Paul just floats better and doesn't sink, that's good.
Ours went over, I'm not gonna lie, $3.75.
You gave him the truth? Wow.
Yeah. Listen, we had taxes. My budget was just over it, you know?
Yeah.
You know the worst part about this? We spent all this money to make these boats and then do absolutely nothing with the stuff after.
Oh my goodness.
Hopefully you believe in me just as much as I believe in myself.
The cart. The cart.
Literally backed into you. The guy just backed into me, dude. Sorry, sir. Goodness gracious, dude.
Some people just shouldn't have their license.
I wasn't gonna say it.
I will. He backed literally into you. You know, it would really suck if I got buckets that happen to have holes in the bottom. Bro, they're like melting. I have a lot of faith, honestly, in myself. Mainly because Paul, when it comes to like engineering skills, you know, he's just like, no offense, Paul, but like, you know.
He's trying to say you can't build.
That's not what I... So you guys should like this video because then we'll do these challenges more, which gives us a reason to come out to Florida more, which would be quite nice. Before I screw all those in, I might as well put this on. So I'm screwing through this. So we kind of put it all together in one go. Oh yeah, we're getting somewhere. I'm not gonna lie, I'm honestly pretty proud of my concept and design. I mean, it looks just beautiful. Boom, there she is.
Is that sweater?
Yeah, I'm sweating my...
Oh my goodness.
Something like that? Jaquan, do we do it straight up or do we put the bucket sideways?
Oh, you got a point. That's a good one.
I think straight up will actually give it more.
Like that little balance.
More balance,
Yeah,
It's unfortunate we don't have much of a piece of wood because this is the cheapest one they had. We're gonna put this like this.
Yes, sir.
Do y'all see the vision yet? You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling really good about this. Other than the fact that I don't know if it floats. Look at this.
There she is. Yes, Paul. Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
I love it.
That's pretty solid. I don't know what his watercraft looks like, but I know I'm ready.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh. I think you might have lost. You can't even get it in.
Look at mine.
It looks
good.
It looks good. No, it looks
great.
It looks good. You know,
Great,
it's all about who floats the best.
And that's a fact. I'm excited.
No,
I think I got you.
I think you got me beat.
Yeah? My name is Paul Cuffaro, and this is my flotation device. I like to call it the bucket loader.
My name's Brenton Zeckleton, and this is my watercraft, the sperm whale.
How does the sperm whale have anything? At least mine's a bucket loader. Hector! Come here, Hector. We're gonna get Hector's opinion on this. This guy's like an engineer. We're doing a boat challenge. Whoever builds the best boat, floats the longest, wins.
Okay.
Whose boat do you think's gonna work the best?
Let me see. That one is good, man. Let me see this one.
Okay, this is mine.
Shit, it's a good question, bro. That one, because the boxes is up bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love to hear it. Thank you, Hector. All right, Hector. Thanks, man. He's not getting paid. We were going to see if they float first, so send it. Oh, dude.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I mean, dude. Gosh.
Oh!
Yo, he's really freaking works. Watch this. I'm telling you, don't underestimate the bucket loader. She's going in.
Oh!
Dude!
Oh!
Dude, look at that!
Uh-oh.
Dude, yeah. Look at that!
You might got some there, Paul.
I'm gonna float. Watch. Hold this
Is
GoPro.
anything in your pocket?
I can't focus on anything. I need to balance the buckets. That's the biggest thing. It's floating!
Brenton.
Bye.
Fair truce. Fair truce. Great game regardless of the outcome. Yep. Pleasure. You can stop now. Thanks. Okay. This is the real test. We're both gonna launch off the bank. Whoever could stay afloat the longest wins. I need to really keep my balance. Brenton needs to not break the center of his board, because it is like...
Mine's cracking. So whoever stays,
Look.
Look
at this.
bro, it's already starting to crack all down the middle. So that's where my issue is. But the thing is, like, it's whoever goes under first.
Yep.
So if you're laying on there, you haven't gone under.
I'm not under.
Brenton.
Bye. 3, 2, 1. I need to balance very slowly. Oh my goodness. Dude, I'm floating.
Brenton's meditating.
I gotta stay. I gotta stay very still. Oh. 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 This is light work. It's not breaking, bro. I got this in the bag. I'm impressed that I haven't fell in yet, dude. I'm balancing. Dude.
What are you doing?
Did I just win?
Did you just win?
Did I just win?
Yep. Yeah! Yep. Congratulations, Brenton. Wow.
That thing sucks. Oh.
That's what $51 will get you. 51? I meant 50.
No, you didn't. You said 51. Did you spend over $50?
I cheated.
I still lost.
Thank you all so much for watching this challenge video. If you enjoyed, please smash a like. If you want to see more, drop a comment. This was so much fun to film. Definitely a different video than the normal. Next video, we'll be moving all the pigs over. We're actually getting another pig for the farm. We're getting another pig for the farm and bringing the ducks home in the next video. So stay tuned. Don't miss that one. Subscribe down below. Love you. See you in the next one.
Peace. Do a backflip. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
The ultimate send-off.
Peace. Yeah.